come out and hang out with me as I cook a few dishes, shop a little bit at Aldi's, and attend my Ladies' Day program. Enjoy. I went browsing at Sephora. It's new here at Kohl's, and so I hear so much about Sephora, so I just thought I'd check it out. I did end up getting a couple of things, not much. It's kind of expensive for my taste, but they had some really nice little, facial care products. I'll show you my haul later. Not very much. I just got 2 items. It was a really nice spot too. I mean, they had a lot of nice products. It was just fun, just hanging out, looking at different things. They also allow you to try a lot of their products, so that's nice. But it was fun. I would come back here. I just made something really simple. It's my Jamaican stew, chicken stew, and some tea. It was good. So this is my haul from Aldi's today. I spent about $68 and some change. That's that Good Belly probiotic. I'm going to trying to eat more probiotics. Got some ginger to juice. I'll be juicing. I'll be doing some wraps tonight, some vegan wraps tonight. Mushrooms, peppers. So I'm going to try that spinach wrap. And I got the tri-colored 3-cheese tortellini. I'm going to try and make a sauce with that and have that one day. And that's my day cream. I've tried that before. It's very good. Hang out with me as I make my veggie wrap out of spinach wrap. And you can see I just took some mushrooms, red peppers, onion, and fresh garlic, and I seasoned them. You can season with whatever you'd like. I'm trying my San Francisco Bay seasoning. I also use my liquid amino by Bragg's. And those are some of my other seasonings with some tomatoes and mango and some veganese. And that's it. And some chips. Pretty delicious. I also tried the lemon ginger flavor of that V sparkling water from Aldi's, which was pretty good, but I prefer the other flavor, the pear apple flavor. But that was good. This is the next evening. I made really just a random dish. With my tortellini noodles I purchased from Aldi's, and then I had some chicken tenders, and there's some seasonings I put in it, and lots of vegetables. And my portobellos were almost going bad, and I was able to save them and saute them in there with some butter. It was delicious. Pretty good. I like that. I put the celery in last. It's got like a little crunch to it. But you can tell that it's nice, and it's not so fresh and crispy, but it's got a little butter saute to it. These are delicious, these little tortellinis. You guys, they only took 3 minutes to cook. The chicken, a little bit dry on the dry side, but it's really moist from the sauce and the butter, and very good. Delicious. Need I say more?
Fashion Nova.
Okay. All right. I'm sharing with you some of my Lady Day program from my church, and we did a play. It was really nice. We had a great time. Wonderful speaker, Rita Williams. I also went to the resale shop with my sister and wonderful friend. We hung out. It was really nice. Very eclectic place because I found a surfboard. I didn't get a chance to film it, but I love the resale shop. I think I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog at this point. It was great hanging with you, and stay tuned for my next video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.